my lovely souls. So, have you ever felt disconnected from your sense of divine power? As if something very important is missing in your life? Welcome, everyone. Today, we are going to delve into a very profound topic, the feeling of emptiness or lack of divine presence in our lives. In a world filled with distractions, it is easy to lose touch with our divine essence. But what if I told you that the power to reconnect lies within each of us? But fear not, because together we'll uncover ways to invite the divine back into our every corner of our existence. I want you all to get into that sensation when you went through that lack of despair, emptiness, insecurity, doubt, confusion, anxiety, or any other emotion which is holding you back. Just dive deeper into that emotion or the sensation. Now you rate the intensity of your emotion from 1 to 10, where 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. Now we'll move with the karate chop, where we'll be acknowledging this issue. Even though I feel disconnected from divine power, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have been feeling this emptiness inside, like I'm missing out on divine guidance and support, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have been struggling with doubts about whether there's any divine power out there for me, I choose to honor my feelings and open myself up to the possibility of reconnecting. Even though I feel like I'm wandering aimlessly without any divine guidance, I deeply and completely accept myself and trust that I can find my way back to the source of divine power. Relax, take a deep breath in, out. Now we'll move to round number 2, where we'll be tapping on the 8 meridian points. Then the second round is releasing the doubt and resistance. Even though I still feel disconnected from divine power, I deeply and completely accept myself and choose to release any doubt or resistance. This feeling of disconnection from divine power, all these doubts and uncertainties swirling around inside me, it's like I'm stuck in this void, unable to tap into the divine energy around me. But what if I could let go of these doubts and fears? What if I could open myself up to the possibility that divine power is always there, waiting for me to reconnect, releasing all the resistance to the idea of divine power in my life, letting go of these doubts and embracing the potential for divine guidance and support. Letting go of these doubts and embracing the potential for divine guidance and support. Relax. Now we'll slowly move to round number 3, where we'll be inviting our divine power back inside us. So we'll start with the meridian tappings. I am now ready to invite divine power back into my life and trust in its guidance and support. I choose to release any remaining resistance to divine power. I am open to receiving divine guidance and support in my life. I trust that the divine power is always within me, guiding me along my path. I am connected to the infinite source of divine energy. I am worthy of divine love and support. I choose to align myself with the divine flow of the universe. I am now fully connected to the divine power within and around me. I am now fully connected to the divine power within and around me. I am now fully connected to the divine power within and around me. Relax. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, release any remaining tension or resistance. And now allow yourself to feel a sense of peace and connection to the divine power within you. You are supported, you are guided, you are loved. Thank you for tuning in.